What's going on, guys? It's Raven here, bringing you guys another video. I know it's been a while, but the motor is finally in the Jeep, as I'm sure we'll find out here. But it's not purple. That's what we're going to talk about today. All right, guys, so I know this video has been a long time coming. Probably part of this video should have been uploaded a year ago, and the rest of it should have been uploaded probably 6 months ago, around the beginning of November. So I'm gonna bring it to you guys. If you have been watching my channel, you'll know where we've left off. Just in case you haven't, I sent my Jeep off in November to get the motor rebuilt. I had low end knock, just a whole bunch wrong with it. It sounded bad, needed to be rebuilt. 237,000 miles on it, 7 previous owners, 6 of which who didn't take care of it. The 7th only owned it for 2 months before I got it, so not really much going there. But I sent it off to get rebuilt. 2 people are involved in this rebuild: the installer at the shop and the rebuilder. The rebuilder, Eric, he's a great guy. The shop took the motor apart, sent it off to him. He tore it down and got to working on it, getting it rebuilt, getting the block decked and honed, board 30 over. I mean, it was going to be a really nice rebuild. Unfortunately, I found out later on that the installer had beef with Eric. So because of that, when the motor was done, everything was buttoned up, he took it back over to the shop to have them install it back in the Jeep. We found out later on that the installer had actually ran the motor without coolant, without oil, and basically blew up the motor before I even got it. So from March of last year through July or August, I had nothing but coolant problems, oil pressure problems. It was absolutely terrible. So May, I blew a radiator end cap because of the overheating problems. Then I developed a low end knock on the brand new rebuild and piston slap. Now, I'm not sure, you guys saw me just fall almost. So I'm not sure what, woo, I don't know why I decided to step on rocks while making a video. But yeah, so when that happened, we got it in place, or got the radiator replaced, had the low end knock, the piston slap, took it back to him. The rebuilder, that's how we found out what happened to the rebuild, the purple motor. So rebuilder was cool. He got sick for a little bit, so some delays happened. But he took care of me. He looked out for me. We got a brand new Jasper Reman. That's what's in the Jeep now. It's, you know, it's got a freaking 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty on it, as long as I do the oil changes like I'm supposed to, every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. We got that in, paid, you know, we settled up on pricing and whatnot, got it all fixed. Motor's in there now. That's really all I can say about that, you know. I'm super excited. I've got just about 2,500 miles on the Jasper Reman. I love every minute of it. The exhaust sounds great. It needs to be redone because unfortunately the installer didn't button down hatches like he was supposed to, you know, loose bolts, terrible installation. The exhaust is routed improperly and not like factory OEM. And so just a lot of I's that need to be dotted and T's that need to be crossed to make sure this thing is 100%. I'll do another video. This is just kind of like an update for you guys. Apologize, the wind is blowing a little bit. Every time I try to make a video about the Jeep, the wind's blowing. I don't understand it. So just wanted to make this video for you guys. Had to do some other repairs due to the neglect from this installer. So next for you guys, I'll talk about the transmission and what happened with that. But for now, thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, I greatly appreciate anything, likes, comments. I love interacting with people. I've got a couple of videos that have quite a bit of views, and I've been regularly replying to people who have questions or thank me, whatnot. But if you've been around and you're subscribed, even if you're not subscribed, I just appreciate you guys. I really like making these videos, and I hope to get a little bit more on track and start uploading once a week for you guys. I appreciate it. Until next time, later.